What's going on, guys? I'm the stock guru, the coolest stock trader on YouTube, and today I've got a trade recap for you guys showing you exactly how I was able to make $100 profit day trading QQQs with stock options today. Traded some put options, so basically shorting the NASDAQ to get some decent profits in today, guys. So let me get right into this trade, okay? So first things first, I traded the Qs today. So the Qs, in case you don't know, is just an ETF that basically trades the same type of price action as the NASDAQ, just like how the SPY trades the same type of price action as the S&P. Okay, so the reason I chose the NASDAQ to trade with today is just because I've noticed it's had some better follow through when it comes to breakouts and breakdowns, and the S&P really hasn't been as strong when it comes to those breakouts and breakdowns. So that's why I went with the NASDAQ today. So let me zoom in here and show you guys exactly what it is that I traded. So the first thing you guys are going to see is this white line that I drew here. Okay, so what this signifies is when we opened this morning, we had initial move down. In the market, the NASDAQ had opened down today. So we were already on a downtrend, and we pushed down right at the market open, and we found some support right there. So that's what that line is there for, just to signify the support that we initially created. Okay, and after we created the support, we had a nice bounce up, but quickly got rejected by this middle VWAP, and then we started reversing back down. Now, when we started reversing back down is when I got into my short position. I'm going to show you exactly where. So I decided to get into the short as we broke below this support that we created with the first few candles of the day. Now, I know you guys are going to see this wick here and think that this is where I entered because it broke down, but just so you guys know, this wick on this candlestick actually happened for like a millisecond. It really didn't, it was impossible for me to get in on this move down. It literally was down there for a millisecond and it was all the way back there. So I wasn't able to get in on that move. I'm glad I wasn't because it wasn't the proper entry. The proper entry was actually on this candlestick right here where I did get in as we broke below the low of the day, broke below support, and went into a continuation of the downtrend. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up my trade here. You can see I got in at 9:36 in the morning on QQQs with some Q puts. Okay, and then I got out at 9:38, so just a few minutes later, just 2 minutes later, I'm selling on this candlestick here as we move in down, and I was able to get myself a nice 20% profit on this trade. I'm going to go back to the trade here so you guys can see. I bought in at 83 cents per contract and was able to sell at $1.03 per contract. So if you guys do the math on that, that is 20% profit on this trade, which came out to be about $100, or exactly $100 today on this trade, and it only took me 2 minutes to make this $100 today. So a pretty easy, pretty simple trade, and it was really good, a great technical formation. Had a downtrend, set up a support, breakdown, short the breakdown. Really easy setup today, guys. So if you want to see some more trading like this, want to be a bit more of a community, I have a Discord group that you guys can join. If you'd like to, you can go ahead and add me on Discord. My name is right here. Shoot me a direct message and ask me about the Discord, and I can send you guys an invitation to the group. I've got hundreds of stock traders in there, and we all share ideas on what we're trading and all that good stuff. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop it a like or a comment to help out the channel. And definitely check out the channel if you did enjoy this video because I've got a lot more videos like this one. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to stay tuned and check out the next video because I promise you guys you will learn something from every video that I post. All right, guys, take care.